Now we're going to have a look at installing the app. Go to the BT Smart Control. Once this app's downloaded on your phone, press open. Then I'm just going to click through all the options allowing the app to be used on my phone. This way we want to be able to use the microphone for two-way talk and also connect to the Wi-Fi. So I just press OK and allow. Click on sign up and put in all your details. You will receive a text and an email for you to verify. Then we're going to head over to our email and just click on the email that they sent us to verify that it's us, and press on the click here, and then you can pick any of these three. This will then open up and show we've been verified. At this point I then receive a text with a verification code. I'll go back to the app and click on login, put in your email address and password. Then I receive another email with a verification code, but this time I have the option to actually put in the code, so put that in and click verify. Once logged in, you have all the options here showing you what you can do. At the bottom you have device, gallery, events, settings in the bottom right corner, and also add device in the top right corner. Now we're going to press that plus symbol in the top right corner to add a device, and we click BT Smart Baby Monitor. Then I'll click OK. Then it's going to ask us to make sure we have the camera, the baby unit, plugged in. Now we're going to look to pair or link this to our Wi-Fi. Click continue and hold down the link button on the back of the camera. You should hear a sound.
Ready for pairing.
You should hear your camera say ready for pairing whilst the phone is looking for your device. Once it finds it, it will show you your device and then you can then select it. This may take a minute or so, so just bear with it. Here it's picked up my camera and now I can select it. Now I can click continue. Now I've shown the app which camera or baby unit we're looking to connect. We're now going to connect this to the Wi-Fi. It will give you an option of which Wi-Fi unit is your Wi-Fi router. Select your Wi-Fi router and put in your password and then click OK. I've speeded this bit up, but it did take a minute or so to connect.
Pairing success.
Now we have a new device added and we can press continue. Then I can tap on the screen to see what's on the camera. As mentioned before, you'll notice that the picture quality on your phone looks better than it does actually on the monitor. And from the phone we have all the same options as we did on the monitor, but we can also record and save the footage or take photos, little snapshots of what you can see. You can also pinch the screen to zoom in and out. And on these arrows you can pan left and right, which is a 135-degree rotation. Now we're going to have a look through some of the same features but on our phone.
Hello?
Hello?
Also, the good thing with the app is on the settings you can put on notifications that will send your phone alerts, which can all be adjusted in the settings. If you go back a page off of this screen, you can then check out the notification section and also the different settings, which allows you to pick motion detection or sound detection. When there's any movement or sound, you will then be notified to your phone, which you can click on and check straight away. And for whatever videos you recorded, if you go to the gallery section at the bottom, you can then click on the photo or switch to video and check out some of the videos that you've also recorded. So this is where all the footage will be saved. And here you have the option to delete. So it's great that you have the option of the monitor or the app. Now we're going to take a quick look at the manual to show you all the information that comes with this. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe and like. I'll leave links and information in the description below. Welcome to the channel and I'll see you on the next one.